know I want to give my snacks now. Talents and brought glory to our school. But congratulations to all our talented.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Layla. And I'm MukMik.
And I'm Plawaan.
You're watching ABS News! We have a lot of exciting updates from Ambassador Bilingual School. Let's get started. On May 23rd, Ambassador Bilingual School welcomed Chief Patty Officer First, Class Sakol Kamdi, a professional nurse specializing in the Public Health and Environment Division, along with the staff of the Public Health and Environment Division, Nong-Pheung Municipality. They inspected food sanitation, standards and places to eat and sell food as part of the project to promote and protect consumers under the Clean Food, Safe Taste Innovate for fiscal year 2024.
Training activities were conducted to educate the food contract staff on food sanitation and sanitary standards, including in canteens and schools.
Moving on to our next story, on May 25th, ABS, in collaboration with Chiangmai Provincial Police Station, organized a workshop on traffic operations. The session was led by Police Major Kankali Panokipayakul, Inspector and Community Relations Officer as the speaker. This workshop was aimed at ABS staff responsible for ensuring smooth traffic flow inside the school.
In other news, ABS recently welcomed English teachers from ICC school in Vietnam. They met with our academic team to discuss our English curriculum and lesson structure.
This gathering provided a valuable opportunity to exchange information about operations of our respective schools. The visit concluded a tour of ABS campus, showcasing facilities and fostering spirits of collaboration and mutual learning. On May 16, the AET Charity Welcome Dinner preceding the prestigious AET Talent Junior Golf Open 2024 took place at Alpine Group Resort, Chiangmai. The event raised funds to support Hire on Your Own Supplies, a non-profit organization promoting environmental conservation and empowering Thai children passionate about Earth to find creative solutions and raise awareness to the cause on Gotgao Island. Finally, on May 29th, the Students' Leader election for grade 1 to 7 was conducted at ABS. We are pleased to announce the new student leaders for grade 1 to 2. Lucy of grade 2 Inter-Red as the president and Layla of grade 2 Inter-Blue is the vice president. Grade 3 to 6, Sammy of grade 6B proclaimed president, and Ava of grade 6B is the vice president. For grade 7, Mom's announced as the president, and Kaji is the vice president.
Congratulations to all our new student leaders. We look forward to seeing your contributions to our school community.
That's all for today's ABS News. Stay tuned for more updates and stories from our school. Once again, I'm Layla. I'm MukMik.
I'm Plawaan.
ABS News!